This lesson is about the amazing tardigrade, also known as the moss piglet or the water bear. Tardigrades are not immortal, but they can live up to 30 years without food or water. They can also live at temperatures as cold as absolute zero or above boiling, and at pressure 6 times that of the ocean's deepest trenches. And they can survive in the vacuum of space for up to 10 days. They can do this because of a unique protein in their bodies called Dsup, short for damage suppressor, that protects their DNA from harmful things like radiation, which is present in soil, water, and vegetation habitats that they normally live in, like moss. Another amazing thing about tardigrades is that when their environment dries up, so do they. Tardigrades will enter a state called desiccation, in which they shrivel up, losing most of their body's water and slowing down their metabolism. This is known as cryptobiosis. It stays a mummy until it's inundated with water and pops back to life. Tardigrades exposed to freezing temperatures entered cryptobiosis and lived longer than those that didn't. And these are all the reasons that the tardigrade is one of the hardiest animals that exists.